Hey, what is up? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. Today I have another business trade line for you guys. This one is the Walmart Community Card. It is a Net 30 business trade line card. It's issued by Capital One. It can be no PG depending if you meet the requirements. It's fairly new, so I'm just going to go through some of the process and data points with you guys. This video won't be long, but basically I'll have the link in the description below, but it's called the Walmart Community Card. Before I go any further, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Like I said, happy Thanksgiving. I appreciate all you guys' support, and I'm literally going to be dropping close to 60 videos by the end of this year, and you guys don't want to miss them because a lot of them will be really good business credit gems, so you don't want to miss those. Anyways, let's get right into it. So let me see here, my computer here. All right, so it is the Walmart Community Card. It's not a card that you can really find very easily just searching. But I'll have the link in the description below for you guys to check out. Of course, you can hit apply now right here. This is basically a net 30 pay in full term, zero annual fee. It's called the Walmart Community Card. It's a business only card. All right. You can apply now. It's underwritten through Capital One. Keep in mind, this is not for those that are a new business. Unfortunately, it's not for those that are new business. So I know a lot of you guys are new business owners, but I know I do have probably half of my subscribers are business owners that has been in business 2, 3, 4, 5 years. So this may be a card that will be beneficial for you. Okay. So you really need to be in business for 3 years. I have seen some people get approved being in business for only 2 years with a very strong business credit profile. Okay. There is an option to do a personal guarantee if you want. It won't report to your personal credit. It will only report to your business credit. It reports to Dun and Bradstreet and to Experian Business. I confirmed that on the phone today speaking with them. Okay, so let's just jump over to their application so you can see what the application looks like. Their application is just kind of like the Menards application and a lot of the other ones that I've covered in the past that are underwritten through Capital One. Okay, so it's the Walmart Commercial Credit Application. And you're going to, like it says here, get more what you want with the Walmart Community Card. Take advantage of the tools. I'm not going to go through all of that because it's a standard jargon. Note, any personal guarantees submitted on this application must be the same authorized business representative applying for credit. If a personal guarantee is required, they will contact you. So it's not required to have a personal guarantee, but it is recommended, especially if your business is under 3 years old. Good thing is they do report to the business credit bureaus. So you're going to go through it, put your first name, middle name, last name, and then go into your business information and business type, your tax ID, your business start date, industry category, number of employees, gross annual revenue. Keep in mind, don't put, say, your number of employees is, say, 5, and then your gross revenue is $250,000. The math just doesn't add up there and stuff. I'm not telling you to lie. I'm just telling you, think about that when you're doing applications and stuff, request the credit limit. Don't try to ask for $20,000, $30,000 or whatever. rule of thumb for me, I try to just always ask for like what I think I would spend or something. So like I applied, I recently got approved. I haven't got the card yet, but I literally just applied today. I got approved for 2,500. I asked for 2,000. I got approved for 2,500. So just keep that in mind. I didn't do personal guarantee, but I'm going to tell you I did under one of my older businesses, but I usually do everything under my newer business. So just keep that in mind. You really need to be in business for 2 or 3 years. So this, like I said, may not be for everybody, but those that have been in business for 2 or 3 years, you want to probably try to apply for this one, even if you're just using it, a little bit. It can still help your business credit profile. It reports, like I said, to Dun and Bradstreet and Experian. Experian Business is great because those are the ones that are very sensitive when it comes to financial business credit cards, fintech credit cards, corporate cards that are no personal guarantee. So just like this one can be no personal guarantee if you've been in business over 2 or 3 years. Okay, it's very much like the Menards card. Okay, so you're going to fill out this information and then go through all this. You have agreed, submit an application, and then at the end, it will ask you if you want to do a personal guarantee. If it can't do it, instant approval for you. Okay? So that's all for this video. I didn't want to make this video super long. I just wanted to put this out there for you guys. Okay? I hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving. And if you watch this after Thanksgiving, I hope you have a wonderful Christmas or whatever holiday you celebrate. And just hit subscribe. Make sure all notifications are turned on. And smash that thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it, okay? I'll have the link in the description below. And check out also the other YouTube channel I have, which is Credit Josh, and that's about personal credit. I'll drop one video tonight on that video, or on that channel. And then every day going forward, I got a lot of videos for you guys, so stay tuned. Until next time, you guys take care. Thank you so much. I really appreciate all of you guys' support so much. Till next time, you guys take care. Bye-bye.